Hi all, Fat Andy here. Right, Aldi, they got their Rooster Southern fried chicken in again. So I picked up that. Now I did this is the thighs and drumsticks. Now I did this 2 years ago in September 24. And I look back, it was $3.99 then and it's $3.99 now. So that hasn't gone up at all in 2 years. I was quite surprised with that. So I'm having that. Kay is having this one, chicken tenders. That was $2.99. Not sure if she had that last time. And then I think these were $1.99 or $1.40, not $1.99 I think. I might be $1.49. Hot chicken wings. So we're going to split them. So have a quick closer look at this. These are suitable for the air fry. Rooster Southern fried chicken, thighs and drums, juicy on the bone, chicken in a seasoned crispy crumb. Traffic light system there. These are from the chilled section. Red, excuse me, red traffic certified chicken, same as last time. Now, last time when I did these, which was, I don't know if I've changed the recipe at all. They were new last time. Obviously not new because they've been out before. But when I did that last time, I gave these a 9 out of 10. I was that impressed with it, so I'm hoping it's going to be the same. Bone-in Skinner's chicken drumsticks and thighs coated in a crispy southern fried style breadcrumb coating. Now you can do these in the oven from chilled, which these are 40 minutes. If they're going to be frozen, because they are suitable there for home freezing, that'll be 50 minutes. And it's suitable for air fryer as well. I'm going to do these in the air fry. I'll probably get these done in. But I think last time I looked back, I'd done about 38 minutes that took. Get them nice and crispy. Right, that's the ingredients there, as you can see. I'm not going to read all that out, but I will tell you the allergens are wheat. Contains bones, yep, I would have thought, I would hope so anyway. That's chicken on the bun. Aldi, nutritional information is there. Yeah, 800 grams, $3.99. So these haven't gone up at all in the last 2 years, which I'm very, very surprised. Right, Kay's having these, the chicken tenders. Quick look at those. Traffic light system there. Red tractor certified. Again, these are chilled. Suitable for air frying. And you can flip you over here. Tilt that out the light. Chicken breast mini fillets with added water with a buttermilk crumb coating. Directions for use. That is your allergens in there. We have wheat and buttermilk. Just tell you about every effort to be made. All bones in these are fillets. Some may remain. Cover the back sides. 305 grams. Nutritional information is there. If anybody want to take a look at it. Yeah. Happy days. $2.99 then. And then we've got the chicken wings now. I haven't tried these. Sizzling chicken wings in a hot and spicy breadcrumb winger. Hot. Traffic light system there on that. Again, this is chilled. Flip it over. There we go. Tilt for the light. Chicken wings with added water coated in hot and spicy breadcrumb, which I've said that's your directions for use and the cooking times. You better over there, stop that bleeping. That's the ingredients. Ingredients there is wheat as an allergen. I'll let you read the rest if anyone's interested. 400 grams in here. Nutritional information is there. Yeah, happy days. Let's get cooking. I am starving. You bastard. Right, got the old air fryer over here. So we'll take these over here. Lay these in the air fryer. See what we're getting. That's what we're getting in these. They will be probably, let me have a look. What we got, we have a drumstick there. Another drumstick. Small piece there, it's quite small that, but then we do have an exceptionally large thigh there, as you see. So it's 4 drums and two like thighs. Yeah, so I've just taken that out of there. I'm cooking it obviously in there. So I'll do them. I'll get the wings in, get everything else in, and then when we're ready, we'll have a go with it. Catch you in a bit. Here we go then. There are the old chicken wings on the side. I've got food chips there. That's my thighs and legs on there. Right, Kay is, I'll show you Kay's in a sec. She's just whacking loads of salad cream on her salad. She's got 3 hot chicken wings there, her buttermilk tenders and a salad. She's going the healthy route. Fatty in. Right, yeah, we'll just get stuck in this and see what it's all about. Right, here we go then. So I've got these chicken thighs and drums, which are $3.99, exactly the same price they were 2 years ago. Me and Kay are going to try the red hot chicken wings. I'm sure these were either $1.99 or $1.49. I can't remember. I'll have to have a look. $1.99, I think. And Kay's got the buttermilk chicken tenders at $2.99. So yeah, try your chicken tenders, whatever you want to do, Kay, first. I won't go in for that hot wing yet. But I just want to see, basically, that's a small small thigh there. This is going to be really hot. To see how good these are. Huh. That is hot. Gotta let that cool a minute. How's yours?
Nice.
Nice? And the buttermilk ones, yeah?
Yeah, lovely. Do you want a taste?
No, I'm fine. Go on. I am fine. I'm trying to navigate through this.
Is it nice?
Yeah? Cool. That's really nice.
Tasty bit of curtain.
Yeah, the curtain's nice. The chicken's lovely. I gave these a 9 out of 10 last time, and I think I'm going to do the same, to be quite honest.
This is good.
Yeah, nice and sort of well seasoned. That's really good. So fly.
Yeah.
Bloody flies, they got on your nerves. That is nice.
I know it won't be highly seasoned like yours because this is buttermilk.
Try a bit more.
I'm fine. I've got plenty to eat here.
That has just got a nice flavour to it. Now, did they bring these out last year? You'll have to let me know. 2 years ago I'd done these. September 24 it was, or just under 2 years. And as I say, they ain't gone up in price. They're exactly the same, and that is really...
Shall we try the hot wings?
Yeah, go on then. That has really surprised me. Go on, Kay, the fridge is there for the milk. What are they like?
All right.
Yeah?
Not hot at the minute.
She's getting ready for that old advent calendar if we do it at Christmas, isn't you? Yeah, they're all right. They ain't too...
That spicy.
No, that's warm on the back of my throat, but it's not. What?
Bit sort of greasy. A little bit greasy, aren't they?
A little bit, but they're nice. Nice flavour on them.
Yeah.
I'd have them again. Like that. Do you know what I mean? I think they're quite nice. Nice crisp on the old coating.
Yeah, there is, isn't there?
Yeah.
And the spice isn't too hot.
No. Now, I really expected them to be really hot.
So did I.
No, all right, it'll build. If you have a load of them, that'll get hotter and hotter, obviously. But no, nothing to write home about. But very nice. What would you give them out of 10 kind of wings?
I'd give them a 8.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll join you on that. What about your buttermilk?
I'd give that about 8 or 9.
9 on your buttermilk tenders?
Yeah.
Same as I'll give with that chicken. Yeah, lovely. I've just done a food chip. He's just stuck some of that Angus and Oink seasoning on it. But yeah, all in all, brilliant. Right, we're off to enjoy this. Get yourself down to Aldi if you like anything like that. So it's really nice.
Got to do it in the next few days.
Well, it only came out yesterday,
Oh.
which was Thursday. You'll see this tomorrow, which will be Saturday. It's Friday today. I clocked it and thought, yeah. And I thought, yeah, I'm sure I'd done this before, which I had. That was 2 years ago, and I looked back, and it's the same prices, which I'm well impressed with. Well done, Aldi, for not putting the prices up. Value for money, yeah, I reckon it's good value for money. That's a good 9.5 out of 10 for value for money.
Yeah.
What you're getting there, very nice indeed. Right, we're off to enjoy this. Thumbs up if you like this. Give us your comments below. Let me know what you think. Have you had it before? If you haven't, I highly recommend you try it. It is very, very nice indeed. It's in the chilled section. Probably available for another week or so, and that'll be gone probably, same as everything else in Aldi. Shush, dog. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel, and we'll catch you lovely people in the next one.
See ya.
Thanks for watching. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.